months of living through screens, we're finally back to the heartbeat of campus life.
From freshers taking their first steps to seniors making their last memories, let's celebrate the laughter, challenges, and stories that reminds us.
Nothing beats the reality of being here together. I'm Rona May Lorenzo.
And I'm Vanrix JP Saperio.
And welcome to Studiosity Talks On Air Season 2. Providing you fresh insights from the West Visayas State University community.
We feature stories, ideas, and conversations about academics, student life, and real-world learning.
This program is brought to you by Studiositas Honor Society, an academic organization of the College of Communication here at West Visayas State University.
Catch us on DYWB West TV Facebook page, Channel 28 via Cable Star, and you can also watch us on our official Facebook page and YouTube channel, WVSU Studiositas Honor Society.
This season we'll be also joined by two special guests, and for our very first segment, we'll hear from our first guest, Von Zedmir of Reyesin, our fellow BabTra student and the business manager of Cinemascom.
So, hindi na kita magpatumpik-tumpik pa. So, let's just ask Von, no? Kung sa kadugay-dugay ang pag-scroll ka, pag-stream sa social media during vacation break, ano ang mga mga bagay nga na-excite niya ganyan makita liwat dyan sa West Visayas State University?
Okay, so hello everyone. Thank you for inviting me to join you guys in this talk. So, to answer your question, Vandrix, one thing guro nga ginabalik-balikan ko diri sa eskwelahan, syempre ang mga assignments naton. Ito, hindi na madula. Pero as a new academic year starts, nag-level up naman siguro nga aton nga mga works, no?
Of course.
So,
Yes.
ang ako gigyan na balik-balikan is ang aton nga production classes with the station IDs and ang DJ naton. It's kind of fulfilling as a broadcasting student. So that's one thing nga I'm looking back to.
Okay, I agree. Kay for me, exciting gid siya ang mga production. Kay of course kadamo sa librahon ta, but with these productions, maka-grow kita, maka-learn kita, and also maka-work kita collaboratively, di ba? Di ba, Pandrex?
Yes, Rona and Von, I actually agree. Kaya do ka funny lang gid ka syempre ang magbaraisay kita sa sa production, mailinaway. But at the end of the day, we are doing this just for our grades, para makapasa ka. Siyempre, end of the day, we're friends, di ba? Agree? Agreeable.
Agree. Speaking of vacation mode, curious ko bala, Von, on Vanrix, during the sem break, how many hours did you usually spend on your phone or laptop? Okay, Von first.
Okay, that's actually a very funny question, pero wala ko man siguro ginaisip ang oras kay kung summer break pag gusto ko lang siguro chill, pero I'll give you a timeline siguro.
Wow, timeline.
So usually I would wake up at 3 a.m. Ay hindi 11 a.m. Tapos, ang laptop ko, syempre, on na. And then, I'm gonna play a video games or maglanta ng YouTube, karaoke, ganun.
Wow, bongga.
Tapos, manabot ko na 3 a.m.
Oh my gosh. Haba-haba nga hours ginayon na spend mo yan.
Parang anak ka naman ng contractor, oy.
Ay.
Ako garo partner, no? And Von, syempre, feel ko, hindi man ko rich gid, cellphone, nung garo, may iPhone.
Yeah,
May iPhone ko.
Where?
Ang oran, wake up in the morning, pero syempre, hindi ko man maisip ang inuras. Pero feel ko mga around, sa isa kadlaw maka 10 hours ko.
Oh my gosh. For me naman akong screen time siguro mga 5 hours lang. Wow, 5 hours.
Sure,
Lang. Kasi syempre, ginalimit kung may mo kay, syempre, mga effects mo na sa aton. So, mamangkot ko bala.
Oh my God. Okay.
Ano nga mga effects ang ginhalit or gindulot sa screen time sa inyo? Did it affect your sleeping habits or in your productivity or even your mood?
Actually, sleeping habits, gid siguro ang problema when it comes to those habits. Kay the moment nga nakita namon ang schedule namon for the academic year 2025-2026, ang amon nga mga schedule every week, 7 a.m. Do ka, siya balaw, do ka alang-alang kita mag-adjust. Pero as the time goes by, do nakuha naman natin ang routine.
Yes, actually, it's very, very relatability. Kaya imagine, wala guys, kasi ta kay Ma'am Sheila, 7 a.m. Tapos
Yeah.
ang agi, tuya pa ta na sa Santa Barbara, gahulat sa traffic.
Super late na gid.
Pero amo to, nag-drama-drama ang agi. Pero tilad, okay naman siya guys, I'm new person because it's new month and new me.
Wow, bongga!
Dahil ako guys,
So,
nagpalit.
now that classes are back, do you think ang screen time mo nag-decrease ayhan or nag-increase siya compared to the vacation last time?
Actually, very much nag-decrease, and I'm very thankful for that kay
Yeah.
duga kadula naman ang aton nga addiction sa social media.
Yes.
And also mag-open sa aton nga phones no. Ang mahamba ko lang is when it comes to ang aton nga schedule and of course my routine.
Yeah.
Kay student leader man ako, ang mahamba ko lang ang akon nga screen time siguro gadalagan mga 5 to 6 hours na lang siguro.
Wow, that's
Wow.
nice.
24
Nagdubo na
hours,
siya.
diba?
Yes.
So maas pagid ko be. Speaking of screen time kag routines no kay nagbalik naman kita sa campus. We are school boy, school girl no.
Wow.
Ang paano mo na balance ang imong study habit, mga commitments sa org and also ang social life after break?
Well, of course, when it comes to the tasks that we have as leaders or as students man, ang aton gina siguro nga number 1 nga dapat ubrahon is to prioritize kung ano ang dapat unahon. Amo
Yeah,
na gid na.
that's right.
With that, na ano ko naman siguro, na balance ko naman siguro kung paano ko ihati-hati ang akon nga ano na gani ang effort ko.
Wow, effort.
Ihati-hati ko siya and then do ano man siya, mamba ko nga hindi man siya kapoy.
Wow. So, weighing scale kagali.
Weighing
Grabe.
scale.
Grabe. So, ka-flexible. Siya, ano siya, good leader and ang genuine student representation. Representative.
All right, let's move to another important part of campus life, connections. So Von and Vandrix, after weeks of online chats, how does it feel reconnecting with classmates, friends, professors in person again?
Wow, mamba ko lang siguro. I've been waiting for so long.
Wow, so long.
Pero, during the parangal season, no, siguro. Sang after a week sang parangal, mamba ko wala na ko sang life outside sang school. Balahaw. Kaya
Real.
syempre, pila ko ka man sa eskwelahan mo, nabaguhan naman ako. And that happens every summer. Pero, now that we're back here at school, though it's a great opportunity to connect with one another again.
Yes, of
physically.
course.
And yes, keep up mo man siguro ang mga relationships niyo.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts, Von. It's really refreshing, gid bala, mga makabati sang different perspective, new insights about adjusting back to campus life.
Yes, and speaking of campus life partner, kag Von, no? Let's lighten up things and we're prepared kang some fun activity nga para mabalaan naton ang imo nga kabuhi.
Wow,
Ang
kabuhi.
imo nga some
Do LMK na.
piece of your piece, no?
Piece of your piece. Yes, it's time for our quick and exciting game with our guest Von, syempre. So here's the title of our segment number 2. It's the campus reality check. Okay, so Vandrix, take it away.
It's time for a game. So first question.
Yeah.
Reality check. How many alarms do you set now versus during the break?
Yes. How many?
5.
5.
Siya
Why?
Start na siya like 4:30 hasta 6:30.
Oh.
Because our class is 7 a.m.
Yes,
Like,
actually.
hindi ko may car.
Yes.
Dasig lang.
Okay, next, reality check. More hours on socials or more hours on group projects?
I think group projects.
Why?
Because for me, ko dahil guys gina-assign sa mga teachers natin maging leader or
Wow,
something like that.
leader!
So like, syempre, tug-tug-tug. Para may
Wow.
ambag.
Yeah. Wow. Di nyo kaya.
Next and last question. Nocturnal or early bird?
Syempre, kaya ko man i-balance.
Wow. Ganyan
Nocturnal
talaga pag
kag
flexible.
early bird,
So both,
Kaya ko
gali.
magpula hasta 5 a.m. and then go to school before 7 a.m.
That was fun. Thank you, Von, for being such a good sport sa amon nga reality check nga game.
For
Yes, no?
We're so glad and it's a pleasure to have you here sa Studiosa Talks on Air.
And it's
Ginamon.
also a pleasure to be invited by the Studiositas Honor Society.
Wow,
so thank you so
yes.
much for having me.
Yes,
Thank
we're,
you,
we're,
Von.
we're feeling blessed.
Andres.
Basta that's it, Bon. Thank you, Gade, sa pag-accept ng amon niya invitation.
Invitation.
This kanya late. Agoy.
Thank you so much. We have another special guest, a BA Broadcasting student and the production head of The Mediator. Let us all welcome Krisha Face Sabasa. Hey, hi guys.
Diamond Gru. So, Krisha, how are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm feeling ecstatic.
Wow! Shalon! Actually, in-invite ko yung siya ligad pa. Kag gina-look forward, yung gini siya nga daan.
Wow.
Thank you so much
Good
for
expected.
that, Vandrix.
Yes, it is
Wow.
our pleasure, no?
All right, Krisha, what are the things that you look forward here at the university now that we are back?
Well, first, gina-look forward ko makamit sing new professor kay syempre di ba hindi tanan nga mga prof diri sa COC is na prof na naton sing
Yes.
first year and second year
Yes.
and
Exactly.
I'm very excited nga ma-meet sila and of course kung paano sila mag-handle sing certain subjects
Wow,
lalo na
yes.
sa prod naton and of course amo man na gina-look forward kung aton production which is the live production aton nga DJ kay Sir Raf which
Yeah.
is na ano ko ged na-enjoy ko ged and of course as the production head of the Mediator it's a big
come on.
responsibility and alam mo yon challenge for me nga
Yes.
i-handle ang production team and yeah ang first ko ged nga experience is ang big coverage naman which is the pag-iririmaw and it was so successful kaya thank you
Congrats,
guys.
guys.
So, for the next question, no, how was your adjustment going back to the full face-to-face classes after a long sem break? Kay, sa pagkabati, kung di ba you are working as a VA, no? Can you share us or enlighten us? Enlighten!
Okay, so nag-ano ako guys, part-time job as virtual assistant.
Yes, wow.
Yeah. And then super big adjustment gid siya cause pag-handle balasing ako nga time. Budlay kay third year, super
Yes.
hectic,
Yes.
damo-damo production.
As in.
And alam mo yon ang responsibility tabala as student nagadako nagabugat
yes.
nabudlayan kita mag-adjust and of course ang aton bala nga time so yeah first of all know your priorities lang
Yeah, that's right.
my number one priorities right now is academic so kung hindi
yes.
nagid kaya bala sing work ko mayo lang kay ang amon nga boss kada maghaba ko sa iyang may production or may exam pwede ko anay ka-stop, kapahuway. And
That's
of course,
nice.
nabalaan mo na nila kay, students. So, muna lang
Yes.
din siguro, lucky lang ko kay, I have this understanding and mabuot nga
as
bosses.
in.
That's why nga, wala gid ko nabudlayan. Though, budlay siya una-una pero nag-a-adjust man ko with the help of my classmates, my friends, and of course, my supportive family man.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Krisha, grabe nga overshare. Like 90% turn kang imo nga kabuyan na share mo. Pero
Yes,
actually,
of
amugid man
course.
ang life kang third year, amugid man jagal inong as a student kis akong ma-special sa financial problem, you need also to pangitagid sang paagi para lang bala makapangita man sa lagyan pa sa imong success, di ba? Right?
Okay.
Agree?
Yeah,
Agree.
Agree. So, tama na nga aton nga chika-chika, no? Let's go back sa aton nga reality check. So, first, reality check. Shotbox haha versus real laughter with friends. Which feels better, Krisha?
Of course, real laughter with friends. Lain gidi ako
Right.
face-to-face right now, di ba? Sadya,
in.
di ba? Yeah.
Yes. And for the next question, reality check. Cafeteria food or food delivery? Which one's better?
Well, both. I eat both naman. Kung convenient sa akon, let's go to cafeteria. Pero kung muna gani busy
Yes.
sa activity naton diri, so yeah, pa-deliver kita kung wala na gid time.
Hindi mo lang bang nga rich ka. Grabe ka.
Well,
Ganda ang
food
buhok.
panda,
Ang
no?
ganda.
Okay, for the last question, tabala. Krisha, ano pilion mo? Full sleep or full meal? Pili kay sakto ha.
Full love. Full sleep. Hindi kita maka-function well if kulang kita sa tulog, guys.
Of course,
Yes.
that's right.
So, Krisha, kaya since nakatapos naman kita sa reality check, oh my gosh, it was a fun activity. So, kaya nakatapos naman ta. So, can you share some insights to us? Like, syempre, kayo mention, makita about sa mga prods, sa mga DJ, sa ano bala, sa mga ganap sa atin nga klase. So, pwede mo ma-share kung ano yung mga experiences
Yes,
and
kung ano
tips
na-feel
and
mo.
advices sa mga incoming
Third year.
second year and third year also, no?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. First of all, ready nyo ang inyong wallet, guys.
Yes,
For the
wallet.
incoming third year, ready nyo. Kay gasto, gina siya, lalo na sa mga backdrop and everything. And of course, sa mga printing, gid. And at the same time, oh my God, it was fun.
Yes,
Like, ang
actually.
pressure, kung ara ka na sa TV Love, yes, ara ang pressure, pero it was fun working together with your group mates.
Yes.
Like, working together with other people, nga different personalities, different point of views, you know, their idea is brilliant. And then, like, di ba, may experience mo na nga, lain-lain bala, ma-direct sa imo, lain-lain
Yes,
director.
as
At the
in.
same time, ikaw man maka-experience, like, rotation, tanan-tanan, mabalaan mo. So, it was fun. Though, yeah, grabe siya grabe siya magpa-pressure sa imo, pero once mabalaan mo na and gapamati ka syempre sa prof mo, lalo na kung
Of course.
paano mag-handle sing equipment and
Yes.
all,
Yes.
diba?
Napaif namin ang prof as in.
Yeah, very good. So, yeah, muna
Yes.
guys, ma-experience mo na siya tanan and then pamati ka lang gid. Kung mag-work ka sa imong classmates, mati ka gid sa ila, presence of mind ara gid, and then kompleto imo nga tulog para mo na bala hindi ta maglutang-lutang and everything. And then
Yes.
namian gid ko every time nga mamangkot ka bala sing opinion sing
Sa
imo
iba.
nga classmates or
Yes.
groupmates.
Yeah.
Like, kamusta akong graphics, guys? Okay
Like,
man. And then mambal na sila, pwede pa gamay-gamayon mo para hindi siya mag-bleed. Pwede pa zoom in mo lang siya. Doon mo na balahaw, like, alam mo yun, nga nag-care sila
Like
sa imo.
concern.
Mo,
Pero
yes.
karaway nga iba niya tao, like hindi, bala ka balo magbaton sang, you know, like
Criticism.
corrections.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Cancelable.
Pero muna,
Oh,
guys,
hindi man.
namin na siya once nga maka-work ka mo sa inyo nga mga classmates, and then nami ilang nga mga insights, you know, makakuha ka mo ideas sa ila. And of course, amo na gani constructive criticism.
Yeah,
I
Dapat
agree.
kabalo ka gid na mag-accept because it will make yourself or your activity or your production better.
During isang sem break, ano ang mga hobbies mo nga ginubra mo? Or like, babad ka lang gitayhan sa screen
perfect.
time or not?
Well, gin-try ko get ako nga best nga maging healthy.
Wow!
Na I've
Oh my
been
Girl.
Hindi. Pero seryoso, gina-try ko gid nga maging healthy, bugtaw sa aga, and then
Wow.
walking and
Productive.
jogging sa plaza. Yeah, productive gid. Not until nag-VA.
Nag-VA, yeah.
Ganon. Yeah, my schedule was from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. So heavy na siya for me.
Hectic.
So, Krisha, as a virtual assistant, nga, like, di ba, part-time ka.
Yeah.
So, ano ang mga tips mo sa mga student nga same sa imo ang ang work? Like, anong tips nga
Same
mahatag
gina-face.
mo nga, like, paano nila ma-juggle ang responsibility as a student kag as someone nga go-work man?
First of all, no, before ko na siya sabton Rona, kudos and big respect sa tanan nga mga working student.
Yes,
Nag-start
actually.
ko working student second year. So, senior high school, and then first year, wala gid ko na idea kung ano ba lang ginaubra nila, kung paano siya gali ka-stressful.
Wala.
Doon mo na, wala how. And then, sing na-experience ko na siya, though dito gid ko na humble. Gid ka tama. Nang though nag-earn kasing money, pero may need ka gid i-sacrifice.
Yes,
Pero
of
at the end of
course.
the day, guys, know your priorities. Kung priority mo is academic, and then if feel mo nga naiguan na siya balahaw as working student, pero muna gid mo priority it's okay balahaw to to rest. And then time management, dapat may ara ka gid sang chart kung
Yeah,
paano
or
mo
timetable.
timetable.
Yeah.
Ang na like for example, amuning nga time from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m.
Ang routine mo,
Oo.
bali may routine
Yeah,
ka.
may routine ka. Balaan mo kung paano mag-handle imo time lalo na subo nga doon sa aton, 'di ba? Things get heavy.
Yeah, of
Na
course.
damo demanding sing certain subjects or activities muna bala, and then may ara ka pa responsibility with your family. So
Yes.
muna dapat kabalo ka lang gid mag-handle. And of course, again, know your priorities, ged.
Yes, that's right, actually. So, ako naman yun, sa vacation bala, di ba, scroll ko, then may nag-pop up lang nga nag-chat nga, like, mapatulog declamation. So, di ba, another
Shala.
extra income. So, aside from scroll ko, gatudlo man kuya, may mentorship man nga natabo sa life ko during December break. Kaya, syempre, nagtudlo ko sa mga kabataan how to deliver their lines properly. Kaya kung ano bala dapat, mag-deliver sang declamation piece. Ikaw naman yung Van, ano mga ganap mo
Wow,
during
syempre
December
as a
break?
media practitioner.
Wow.
Ay, nag-apply ko sang, actually, sang SPES, like, sa peso, siya nga job fair yata sa munisipyo. And, amuran, kasi syempre, ang Santa Barbara may radio station, kami ang municipality nga may radio station. So, amuran, syempre, automatic kay broadcasting, tuya ko butang, tuya ko assign. So, amo to, brand news, aga, pagkahapon, record naman. Tapos
Wow,
pagkahapon,
so productive.
pamatian naman. Tapos it's like, kumabate mong limog mo sa radyo, like,
Fulfilling.
wow,
Yeah.
fulfilling. As in, tapos may dyan, pwede nag-agto-agto kami sa eskulaan, nagabal picture, tapos nagapangitig ideas ang iban. Like, ma-feel mo gid ang real media. Tapos, syempre, ang mga pamahangas.
Yes,
Hindi mo naman,
pamahangas.
syempre,
Oo,
pamahangas. As
really.
in, munisipyo, balarante, syempre, rakap amatik,
Okay,
kagamuran. Syempre, ang mga duties mo sa eskwelahan, hindi ko man marapal. Kasi but I'm trying my best to balance everything. Kaya syempre, amuran, alipin tayo ng salapi.
Wow.
Pero dapat rin nating pagtuunan ng pansin ang ating edukasyon. Pag-straight Tagalog!
Yes, real.
So ginanog mo gid gali ang pagka-broadcasting mo
Yes.
Yes,
mo
gamit.
gid.
As in broadcasting.
God,
Ganyan
yes.
talaga.
Actually, hindi lang magkamo nag-volunteer reporter. Actually, ako man.
Wow.
Also, kanami, gid nga experience, no? Kay natamaan, natuon, gid ba lang nga ara, kuya sa patrol, and galibot kami sa mga municipality. And it's really a pleasure, gid, nga like, ma-stop kayo sa dalan, ma-live ka mo, and ma-report. Di ka, do ka, fan, like, kabi ko, hala, bakasyon, pero like, damo-damo, kuya Olobraon, pero at least, di ba, do na satisfied, gid ko nga makita ko akong staff nga report, nga kita ko akong
Yes.
face sa screen.
Miskan tagagabi, nagaran, talami, kapoy-kapoy ko.
Oh,
Ano,
kapoy-kapoy.
ginbalakbay nila ako sa kanang, ang amo-amo ka dyan, nakapoy ko no, agi. Pero ang ending, nakapabura ka.
Yes.
But at the end
Sana
of the
all.
day, it was fulfilling
Yes.
na experience nga to.
Like,
diba?
makita mo ba lang face mo
course.
sa mabata mo tingog mo sa radyo, makita mo face mo sa media, gid mo lang nga nagagwa, oh my gosh. Like,
Yeah.
nakaka-proud. Alright,
Pati-
Krisha, thank you for that
Yes.
wonderful insight sa ginatag. Mo kagin share sa hindi lang
Yes.
sa amon, also sa mga viewers.
Viewers
yes,
ta.
magamit gina
And
nila.
Nanamian
Sa-
kami sa
yes,
imo.
actually.
Tungod, may chika-chika session kita. Get to know each other more. Wow.
Yeah.
Kaya nakashare kita sa aton mga experiences during vacation.
And thank you, man, for accepting our invitation. No?
Invitation.
Bis kanya
Yes,
medyo
actually.
late siya. Hindi ba siya late? Ako last week, patuya. Tapos, amo na. And thank you for having us and having you near me. So, amuran. And see you around, Krish. Any message? Any last word? Sa ating na viewers, 10K viewers.
Hello viewers.
Diba?
Thank you so much, Rhonda and Van, for
Yes,
having me
you're
here. Thank you so
welcome.
much. Ang Studiositas Honor Society.
Yes.
Thank you so much, guys.
All right. We indeed have an insightful encounter gid with our guest, di ba?
Yes.
Vandrix. We know that returning to campus also makes us reflect on our responsibilities kag ang goals naman as students, right?
Yes, exactly, partner. No?
Yeah.
Very agreeable. So let's take a moment to slow down and reflect what this transition really means to us or for us. Kasi syempre hindi lang sa hindi lang sa mga tests or sa mga exams may reflection. Dapat may reflection din
Reflection
tayo,
man.
di ba?
Yes, we know that after a long, unforgettable break, we are gathered once again in our second home. Syempre, di sa COC, di ba?
Yes.
Kaya ang yesterday's moment are bittersweet, but today is another day to give everything to the fullest. Kaya, di ba, may mga upcoming productions kita and we need strength, gid, di ba? And strength and resilience nga need ta para sa upcoming production ta. Kaya syempre, we know that it's really time demanding and hindi siya tama kahapos for us kay it's because kapangapa-ngapa pamanta and reflecting sa aton mga experiences kag mga gi-share man sa aton guest do ka na-overwhelm ko bala pero like in a positive way.
Yes.
Kay syempre do na-learn ko man nga we need to balance gid our academics with our other responsibilities. And syempre also nga kita kami mga org works kita, may mga responsibilities ta outside the school, we need to juggle it gid.
Yes, partner. Siyempre, I agree man sa tanan mo gid panghabang nga mga insightful words. Wow,
Insightful
resilience.
words.
So for me, gadaan, ang transition nga dya is grabe gid ang pag-remind niya. Kaya syempre, imagine, halin pag vacation, nagatanga-tanga ka lang, nag-cellphone.
Bed rot.
And you can sleep overnight, overday, all day long. Kag mapinulaw ka, kinaon ka sang tanan na gusto mo. Pero subong that we are once again here sa ato niya university. Ang may mga limitation, although nga wala sang limitation, but ma-feel mo nga may limitation nga sa mga, especially sa aton, subong bla partner, nga third year,
Yes,
we have
Alex.
only a gamay dalagin yung mga tulog,
Yeah,
tapos
of
ang kwarta,
course.
ang bulsa, tapos
Ubos
lot man,
gid,
as in,
yeah.
hindi ka na kayo makakaon Mayo, di ba? So, also this transition reminds me that while breaks give us a rest, being back in school is ginagaan kita sang chance and also to explain kung ano gid man ang purpose natin sa life, di ba? Kasi syempre,
Yes, I
as
agree.
a student and also a student leader, di ba? Amura niya also, you are here to claim your prize, claim your goals, and basta amura bala like do motivated kagin mag-ubra,
Yes.
mag-eskwela mayo para sa imong nga family,
Yeah.
kag sa imong nga goal bala sa kabuhi,
Yes.
no?
I agree gid partner Vandrix. Kay one thing nga na-learn ko bala sa na third year na kita subong is that if mapadala ka bala sa imo kakapuyon per day ka gid.
As in.
Yeah. Kaya syempre mabugtaw ta sa aga 7 a.m. classes and then may mga practice pa sang ating productions. Though hindi ka na bala dapat wala ka na time para kapuyon. Though wala ka
Yes.
bala right nga makapoy kay it's because kinahanglan ta gini i-pursue mo, kinahanglan ta ni tapuson, kinahanglan ta ni ubrahon.
Yes.
Kag one thing man nga pa-motivate sa akon sa aga, syempre ang mga tawo sa palibot ta, of
Yes,
course ang aton
actually.
family, ang aton friends, kag excited gid ko na yung permi mag sulod sa school. Syempre ara kamo nga friends ko.
Dati mention mo na lang ko.
Wow,
Mismo ko wala
feeler,
permi.
feeler.
Pero actually guys, it's true. Like, amurang isa ka thing nga makapa-motivate si mo. Especially kung may mga tao nga sa palibot mo nga as in very supportive, ang like understandable, understanding, understood,
Oy, kadamo ha.
underneath Kimi. Basta like, they are very caring. Wala kayo mukha concern. Hindi mo na sila pagbuyan, guys. As in, very blessed. Kaya ganyan may amo ka tang mataw. Especially, pero kani Ron na.
Wow!
Di ba, mention to guys.
Diba?
Hindi siya
So
ka ma-mention.
sweet
Kaya hindi
naman,
ako palangga,
Vandrix.
guys. Pero
Yeah.
hindi ka bless mo. If may amo ka na niya, mga tao sa palibot niya, naga-support si mo. Anytime, anywhere, just follow our page na lang, guys.
Oy, wala pa, hindi pa ito
Ay,
mag-plug. So, syempre, Van, I know, important gid ang friendship. Diba? Friendship,
Yes.
gid ya. Kay, ginahimo nila, Blaton College life, bearable, diba? So, I think that would be all.
Yes, that's all.
That's
Tama na, guys.
all. Wait, wala pa. Thanks for joining us on Studiosity Talks on Air. We hope today's episode inspires you and helps you to have a fresh start. So this program is brought to you by Studiostas Honor Society from the College of Communication.
We look forward to continuing this journey of celebrating academic
Yeah.
excellence, career growth, and sparking new ideas and conversations. Don't forget to catch us on West TV via Cable Star on Channel 28 and on our Facebook page and YouTube channel, WVSU Jositas Honor Society.
Again, I am Ron Ami Lorenzo.
And this is Vanrix JP Saperia.
This is the Just
Just
Talks
Talks
On
On
Air
Air
Season
Season
2. Bye! Work.
And